Kang Herry has been gone for a long time. I'm wondering how is he doing? When is he coming home?
Nyi,
Kang
Nyitung,
Herry,
I have arrived.
you're back.
Yes,
I missed you.
I miss you too.
How are things in Indonesia?
The sun was very hot and the food is delicious. And I had all the food that I really miss.
What did you have?
Kangkung, jengkol, asin peda, daging ayam, sambal, seblak.
Even chilok?
Oh yes, for sure.
That's my favorite.
I know.
Did you get to see your family?
Yes, for sure. I had a great time with my family and I got to see friends I hadn't seen in a long time.
So tell me, what's new?
I was surprised to see how many people know about Sunda Pride.
That's wonderful. Tell me more.
I traveled across West Java. I've been to Sukabumi, Majalaya, Ciamis, Soreang, Banjaran, Cimahi. I was really touched with how many people support Sunda Pride, even artists.
That's wonderful.
Thank you.
So great to hear all this. I am proud of you
Thank
and
you.
I am proud of Sunda Pride.
Yes.
But I am also happy that you are back because I missed you so much.
Oh, I miss you too.